The Big Bounty Series, Video 01 Introduction. Welcome to CyberHawk Academy's Big Bounty Series. This is not your average cybersecurity content, this is a mission. If you're serious about stepping into the world of ethical hacking and bug bounty hunting, you're in the right place. What we'll cover in this video. What is bug bounty? Who hires bounty hunters and why? The types of vulnerabilities that get paid. Real payout examples from platforms like HackerOne, Bugcrowd and Synapse. The exact mindset you need to succeed in this space. Tools and platforms you must prepare for. What's coming next in the Big Bounty roadmap? PDF guide. Coming soon on PayHip. All practical tools, screenshots and step-by-step missions will be available in a downloadable tactical PDF. Designed for beginners and warriors alike. And about CyberHawk Academy. CyberHawk Academy is a next-gen learning unit built for individuals ready to master cybersecurity without fluff. We provide one-time payment, lifetime access, tactical learning in PDF, video, and soon mobile app format. We focus on the real-world tools, job-ready skills, and E&M military-style delivery. We're not here to impress, we're here to make sure hawks don't miss. Head. Next mission. Video 02. Bug Bounty Platforms and Setup. We'll guide you through creating your accounts, setting up your environment, and making your first reconnaissance moves as a bounty hunter. Prepare for battle. Follow, subscribe, and turn on notifications. The hunt has begun. Sarge's CyberHawk Academy. Bug Bounty. Ethical hacking. Cybersecurity. Big Bounty Series Tactical Learning. Hawks. Don't miss.